Hey guys, welcome to Backbenchers Club, and in this video we're just gonna learn about swapping. When it comes to swapping, swapping is also very essential for applying the algorithms for sorting, even binary search and stuff. So swapping is also a very powerful method of interchanging two values. Fine. So actually, what is actually swapping? So when it comes to swapping, what I mean is with an example. If I want green color to be in class 1 and blue color to be in class 2, as you can see in your screen right now, so how will you do it? Some of you might be thinking we need a third class. If you are thinking it, then that's absolutely correct. Yes, we do need a third class. From then what we'll do? We'll just put this blue color into this empty class. Then we'll just put this green color into that empty class number 1. Then we'll put this class third color blue into class 2. That's pretty much swapping, and that's the only thing that swapping is actually meant. Now we'll just look into code, then how we can apply swapping, and I'll just give you a very basic understanding of what swapping is. Then I'll also tell you a very great and good shortcut in Python what actually just swapping look like. Now just let's look into the code. Code is really very simple. We need two variable x, that will be our blue class which has value 10, y, that will be our green class which has value 20. Now what I want in x value 20 and y value 10. So approach is very simple. Let me create a temporary variable which is like an empty class, in which let me hold a temporary value like 0, as simple as that. And in temp let me put the value of x, in x let me put the value of y, fine. And in y let me put the value of that temporary class, and that's as simple as that. Swapping has been done. That's really very good concept. After that, just for printing purpose, let me print my x and y. Go ahead and save this program and hit F5, or you can go to just run and just run the module. After, it will give you a prompt for saving it. Save it. After that, see 20 and 10. And if you want a proof whether it has worked, let me say print x, y, fine. Just again hit F5 and print enter. See, first the value of x was 10, then it's 20, then first the value of 20, then it's 10. Great. Thank you and have a nice day.